What's fucking like y'all, man? It's your boy, DeseanMoney. We are back, man. I told y'all, man, I'm dropping these videos like this thing bomb. But yeah, man, we are back once again with another reaction video. Bro, how was y'all day, man? Y'all need to go check out my last video and all them videos. Go ahead, before we jump into this video, hit that like and that subscribe button if y'all real enough. Share this with all your friends too, man, and follow me down on all my social media. All that shit will be down below in the description. You know that. I don't know why you're playing the game. I shouldn't have to ask y'all. Y'all should already know. But if you guys are new to the channel, what's Gucci? I told you, like I said, I'm DeseanMoney. Get it? All right, anyways. But yeah. Great intro. We're finna watch Get Out My Car. Uber driver gets mad, bro. I ain't never seen this shit, bro. But I bet it's funny when the Uber. Ooh, I can already tell. That bad red.
You are at the hospital. Administration is right here.
I'm going to the emergency room, sir.
Get in there. Get out of my car now.
Where is my destination?
Get out of my car now.
Sir, I'm asking you.
Get out of my car now. I have the right to tell you when to get out of my car. It's right now.
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination. If you will kindly point at where I am supposed to go.
Pulled into your destination. It said here I was at your destination.
That don't look like her destination, bro. It looked like she's near some houses and some trees, bro. Bro, that ain't no destination, man. Bro, low key, bro. This. Man, fuck it, just keep on.
Destination, it's over. Get out of my car now.
It said 1760.
Get out of my car now.
Sir, it said.
Get out of my car now.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't fucking get out of my car.
But you're not to yell at me. You are not to yell at me.
9-1.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Okay, so she was telling, bro, that's crazy, bro. She was telling them to where her destination now, bro. She ain't got to record. She can just, bro, look at it on her phone, bro. Like, come on, bro. That's what she could have done. And the Uber driver, bro, he being an asshole, I would have smacked him upside the head.
Get out of my car.
Where is my destination?
Get out of my car.
Sir, can you just tell me?
Get out of my goddamn car! Now!
Shoot. That man looked like he was doing a choo-choo train, man. Sure, bro. Yeah, that shit wicked.
Oh!
Sir, can you please tell me where my destination is?
I don't give a shit. Get out of the car now.
Can you please tell me where my destination is?
The ride is over. You have been extremely rude, extremely condescending.
How have I been extremely rude?
You kept me waiting way too long. You showed up and told me you were in a hurry when you showed no actual effort to be in a hurry. Get out of my car now.
I am.
Yeah, this man's scaring the fuck out of me, bro. I swear to God, man. Bro, that man. He need help, bro. He need to go fishing. Maybe he'll call his patient's ass now. He's angry at me. Hypervillain, bro. But I can't even say the word, bro. Hypervillain, bro. I'm gonna
just get out of my car now!
I don't know where I am.
Get out of my car now! God damn you to hell!
Sir.
Get out of my car!
I am asking you.
Get out of my car! It is my fucking goddamn property! Get out! Now! Now!
You are facing
Get out right fucking now!
You are facing.
Get out of my car! I'm facing a fucking moron! Get out! Now!
Bro, I'm lucky he wouldn't have done that. Boy, I would have, by the time he put that hand in my face, on me, I'm just, poof. How would you get out my face? Boy, it would have been a nigga that would have been sitting in jail. But they would have had my bond at $100,000 because I'm black. That shit crazy as fuck.
You're facing the...
No!
You have no right to scream at me?
I will fucking talk to you any goddamn way I want.
Really?
Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right.
You have the right to scream at me?
Damn, I feel bad for his wife if he's married, bro. Like, if his wife is... Like, man, goddamn, calm down, man. Goddamn, you trying to turn into the Hulk? Like, they got me fucked. Bro, they would have had me fucked up. Bro, comment down below what y'all would have done to this man. On me. But, yeah. I would have smacked him upside the back of his head and left him with a sunburn.
Get out of my car!
You have the right to scream at me.
I have asked you to leave my car multiple times.
And
Get out of
I
my
am
car!
asking you in a
Get out
very
of my
educated
car!
manner, where am I?
You're at a hospital. Where
Where-
you need to be. Get out of my car!
Oh,
Can you get her out of my car, please?
I can't put hands on.
Where is the emergency room?
That's on the other side. I'll walk you.
On the other side?
Yeah, I'll walk you over.
Get out of my car!
She's
Damn, bro. Fuck. Okay, one. The lady could have fit. Oh, fuck. Okay. This shit could have been. Damn, bro. Just by me hearing his ass, man, have my hair scratching, bro. Yeah. Alright, so listen. What was y'all would have done, bro? Like, I think the lady could have resolved it by that. She could definitely use her smartphone, man. Whatever phone she has, you know, she could have used that shit. Just Google where the fuck her destination. Two, the old man could have easily not had a heart attack, and just told her, "Hey, it's that way," or just take her to like instead of putting her in a random ass parking lot, like or wherever the fuck he at. I would have smacked the nigga, bro. I would have been going to jail, nigga. Yeah, on me. Yeah, I would have, actually. That's not bad. Yeah, I would definitely would have smacked him. Because that nigga ate too much damn hot fries. That nigga needs some real Tic Tacs. I was like, his breath's just terrible. My fault. But now, yeah. This nigga would have me fucked up, bro. Comment down below what y'all would have done. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this damn video, bro. That I took my time for y'all. No, it's fine. But no, yeah, no, I do it. No, for real though. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this video try to get it to. I'm trying to just get as many likes as you possibly can. Just get it to 5. Share this with all your friends. God damn. Oh fuck, my head is. What else? Yeah. It's your boy DeseanMoney. I'm out, Critters.